First day in my life as pre-service teacher. Morning, everyone! So before we get up, we fix our bed first.
Good morning!
Time check, it's 7:37 a.m. I usually get up from 7 to 8 a.m. and I usually check also my messages because in case that I missed something, because I am their chairperson and I always check my messages for inquiries or questions. So yeah, I'm eating breakfast and then I iron my clothes for today. So yan yung mga uniform na nakita nyo pala na susuotin ko sa PST journey natin ngayon. So it's the first day, so I iron my clothes. And then I got ready na for class. So my class starts at 10 a.m. So ayan, nag-ready na ako, nag-ayos na ako. I curled my hair. I put on my makeup already. So yeah, flex lang siya dyan. And then, papunta na ako ng school. Ayan, just sa clip na yan, lang kami kwentuhan. And I updated syempre, alam nyo na, charot. So, inintay lang namin yung classroom na mag-open. And ayan, nag-open na siya. Wala pa naman kaming teacher, so nagchikahan lang kami. And then, after class, I met Bimbo, my baby. May ganun. So, we took pictures, of course, to post the memories of our first day as pre-service teachers. Ayan. So, if you want to see the pictures of me and my baby and also my barkada, you can also see it on my Facebook page, Vian Cakes. And also, you can view it on my Instagram, Maxine. Visit my Instagram also. I also post my pictures there and updates when I post on my YouTube channel. So yeah, we took pictures after our class. And then, so we will eat lunch na. So we ate lunch at Chowking. So first time niya magbukas. So kaka-open lang ng Chowking nan. So we tried Chowking and we ate there with Bimbo and my friends. So we have classes at 1 p.m. So nauna na si Bimbo, but I stayed with my friends kasi na-cancel yung pasok namin kasi wala pa chat si sir. But yeah, we ate chow fan. In fairness, masarap yung chow fan nila doon sa bagong bukas na Chowking. So you guys try it. But I am disappointed kasi when we ordered and our order is ready na, naka-take out siya, so nainis ako. Hindi naman sa nainis, pero yeah, I'm disappointed lang kasi kumain kami dun sa loob, dine-in, pero naka-take out. Yeah. Yun lang naman. But the food is good. After that, we got to Sunstar. Wala lang, to check some things and sinama namin si Ralphie na bumili ng kanyang record book. So, kami naman kasi hindi pa na-endorse. So, I'm going to vlog that also on September 1. So, wait for that. And, yan, nag-shopping lang kami and tingin-tingin sa Sunstar. Eme lang. So, ayan, punta kami ng National Bookstore to look at some things. Kunyari, mga class records. Yeah. Tumingin lang si Ralph. But, that's all. Nag-shopping lang talaga kami. And also, bumili si Rijan ng kanyang shorts. Nakakatawa. Is it supposed to be censored, Rijan? So, shout out, Rijan. Lagyan ko na ng blur, pero ayoko. Bahala ka dyan. Yeah, so, yeah. Nag-ano lang kami ng mga shorts ni Rijan. And ako naman ay wala pa naman bibilin. So, yeah, sumama lang ako and then punta lang kami ng Sunstar. Yep, and then that's all na nangyari nung day na yun. Diyan sa clip na yan, we're going home. And then when I got home, I did my checklist again. So may ambagan kasi kami. So I checked and tinignan ko yung money, syempre. Also, mga kailangan kong gawin as their chairperson. Increase, ganon. So that's all for my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video and turn on your notifications down below. Bye!